What's up, guys? It's Mike, the Smokin Monkey. I'm coming at you guys with a much requested video today. A lot of people have been asking me about a full list of my mods that I've done on my bike so far. This is my 2017 SV650, and today I'm just going to go over a few of the different things that I've done so far. And yeah, let's start from the top. First thing that I've done, I've taken off the stock mirrors, and I've replaced them with some bar end mirrors. I did this for two reasons: one, to clean up the look, and two, because the stock mirrors were kind of flimsy. They weren't holding up to the wind on the highway as well as I would like them to. I had to adjust them a lot, and the way I park my bike, I have to actually close the mirrors every single time. So it was a pain getting them set right. These ones I don't have to move, I don't have to close. They actually fit on there perfect when I park the bike, and it's just a lot simpler for me. But I actually like the way it cleans up the look. It gives it a lot more of a streamlined look. It doesn't have as much of a rabbit ear kind of effect when you get those stock mirrors on there. And yeah, the next thing that I've done to the bike is some body sliders. So I have frame sliders attached right here, and I put those on not too long ago. There's an install video, I'll link it in the description. And I also have some swing arm sliders. Now these aren't spools, they won't actually hook up to your lift or your rear stand, but they do work well if the bike goes down. They have a little bit of protection so that the swing arm doesn't have to contact the road. But for the most part, that's all they do. They don't really have another use. I've tried to get my stand on there, but they're much too thick to actually use with the stand. Another thing that I've done is the Fender Eliminator. So I got rid of the stock Fender, and I installed the Yoshimura Fender Eliminator. It's a lot cleaner looking, I think. Only thing that I will tell you guys is here in Canada, you can see here from the back, I hope the camera picks that up, the license plate actually sticks out further than the frame, so I had to mount it on top of the frame instead of inside the frame, if that makes sense, if you know what I'm trying to say. So you see I only have one bolt and one zip tie because it wouldn't actually fit inside the frame, so I had to kind of jerry rig it to make it work. But it's on there, it's tight, nothing moves, nothing rattles. And these are Yoshimura, I forgot to, these are Shogun, the sliders, and this is Yoshimura. It's nice. It actually has a nice LED light in there. It works well at night. No complaints there so far. Only thing is, when you install it yourself, you do have to splice a couple wires for that light. It's not a big deal. It takes 2 seconds. Comes with everything you need in the kit. And the last thing that I've done is the exhaust. I've got a Yoshimura Alpha slip-on with the full carbon finish, and yeah, I'll put that video in the description as well. I did an install video and the sound comparison before and after if you guys want to see what that's like. So far so good. I like it. I might have to do a tune, I don't know yet. I'm still running a few tanks of gas through the system just to see if it kind of steadies itself out, if it starts running a little bit smoother than it has when I first put it on. But so far I think it is. It's been running a lot better. And some next mods that I'm planning to do would be a windshield. I might get a small windshield. I don't want one that attaches to the handlebars. I want something that I can either replace this cowl with, or something that attaches maybe to the forks over here. And yeah, that would just be for longer trips, nothing too crazy. Speaking of trips, I do have one more accessory to show you guys. This isn't a bike specific thing, but there's some guy ripping his bike. But it's a great accessory for when you have a longer trip. It's actually this guy. So this is a Nelson Riggs tail bag, and it actually slides on there real easy. I got a water bottle in there. That's about all you can fit under there, but all you do is you slide it on, and I put the front two straps over these two little support pieces that are there for the seat, that hold the seat to the body of the bike, and right before the clips. So the clips are still there, you can still use your clips, and once you do clip it in, there we go, it sits flush. So you can see there's no issues. You don't really have any kind of problem with it sitting against the body. You don't have any gaps. This is tight, and there's plenty of room inside here. It's made by Nelson Rig. I'm sure you can find it on plenty of websites. Some tissues for your issues. And yeah, you can fit some good stuff in here. I even have a little lock, like a luggage lock. So if I do leave the bike and I don't feel like taking this with me and I'm going in a store, I can lock it. It's a shitty lock, but it's a little bit of peace of mind, because you can't take this off unless you actually remove the seat, which is nice. And yeah, so other than that, that's all the mods I've done so far. Let me know if there's something that you guys want to see, or something that you guys want me to try out for you, because I'm definitely willing to go and put some new parts on the bike. I'm always happy to do some new mods. But yeah, please leave me a like if you've enjoyed the video, if it was helpful for you at all, and don't forget to comment and subscribe. The next video is coming up soon. I've had this thing for just over a year, and I'm going to be doing a living with the SV650 on a daily basis. Tell you what the bike is like, what the temperaments are like, how it handles, what it's like just riding it to the store and going and grab something. So if you guys want to see that video, definitely look out for that one coming up next. But until next time, guys, thanks for watching, and ride safe out there. Peace.